it doesn't back. No. Oh, come on. Guy beside me just honked. The Indian population here. It's a red light. Oh, yeah, no. But there's, you see this look in the left lane behind me. There's a Mazda just sitting there, and he's getting honked at. Look at them, they're just holding up traffic. No, they're just still sitting there. This Nissan's gonna try to cheat. So there are two places I want to try doing. I want to try doing... Oh! That was a great long honk. I got that. Yeah. And again.
Doing oh.
Literally, come on.
Oh wow, you're just gonna go all the way on the other side of the road. Oh, we got a red light runner in front of me. Hey guys, come on. What is happening here? There's a Camry that just looked like they were gonna go on a spot, and then they just cut in front of this Infinity in front of me. Oh my. So we got a green arrow. There used to be a no honking sign. I don't know where it went. There's a green arrow! The passenger looked back at us like, who's honking? Yo. This dude just walked in front of my car. Oh, yeah, I got it. I got it too. What's going on? Oh. Oh, okay. They didn't even... How do you even know they're up there? Whoa. What just happened? Whoa! Oh my gosh! Those bites. Whoa. Come on. Dude, come on. Uh-oh. I don't know. Is that you? Why are they not going? It keeps trying to... Sorry, I'm trying to find a good route back. Oh my gosh. Seriously? That's awful. Oh, yeah, we got a cutter. Stopping for a green light.